to All Things with Tip. So as you can see, I have cut all my hair off. If you have not followed me on my social media, All Things with Tip on Instagram, you probably haven't seen my hair. So I cut it all off and I even lightened the top. It's actually grown back a lot because I actually cut it a lot shorter. So it's actually grown out. I just wanted to get all my relaxer off and I wanted to cut all the relaxer off and then just kind of start over again. So I'm going to lighten it up because it's just want to do something different to it. I'm kind of getting tired of it. And so I'm going to show you guys my process and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I have my mixing bowl, my brush. I'm going to start with the 30 volume and my blue powder lightener. I'm going to do 2 scoops of lightener and 1 ounce of the 30 volume. Okay, so I've mixed it. I did actually add 1 more scoop of powder and then a little bit more of the developer to make a little bit more because my hair is a little bit thick, and I remember last time when I used the amount on the bottle, it wasn't enough, so I just did a little bit more. I don't know if you guys can see this. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is just go ahead and start applying it. I did add some silk on my scalp. Not on my scalp, but I added some silk on my hair. And I'm also going to put some leave-in on here. There's the Bio Silk. And since I have it already lighter on top, I'm going to start with the sides and the back, and then I'm going to work my way to the top. And I'll come back once I get to the top. Alright, so I have done the sides and the back. I'll kind of wait on my hairline because I don't want it to damage it too much. And then also, my hairline tends to turn pretty quickly. So I'll do that once I'm done with this top part. Alright, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I feel like it's already starting to turn, so I'm going to go ahead and start adding it to the top. It's super thick up here. Alright, so as you can see, I've applied it all over my hair. So get a little closer. And if you can see in the back, it's already changing even more. Alright, so I'm going to keep checking this periodically. I'm not going to let it sit any more than 30 minutes. And then I'll be back with you guys before I get ready to, well, actually after I rinse it, and then we'll see the result. Okay, so this is how much it has lightened. Not sure, well, I'm not gonna say I'm not sure I don't want it this color. I wanted it to actually get a little bit lighter. So I'm gonna try again, but since I've already put so much, you know, did that full application one time, I'm gonna try, I don't have any toner with me, but I am going to try the color depositing shampoo and do like a soap cap and see if this kind of helps. And so we're gonna see what happens, and I will be right back. All right, guys, so I don't know if you can see, but it did tone it down a whole lot. It took a lot of that bright yellowish color out, so it toned it down a lot. And I probably would do it. I'll probably give myself a few weeks, and then I'll probably go back in and do it again. But this is what it turned out to be. And it got me a lot closer to the color that I am wanting. I just want it to go a little tiny bit lighter. And I'm not worried about the straightness in my hair, because my hair is so thick and coarse anyway, so I need it for it to be looser anyway. But once I put once it starts to dry and I put product on it, it's actually going to curl up a little bit more. So, and then make sure you guys catch the next video. Sorry I look crazy that I didn't finish it on this video, but what I'm going to do is just finish shampooing it. I did my neutralizing shampoo, and I'm gonna go back through it with my moisturizing shampoo, and then I'm going to condition it and add some silk to it and just kind of let that sit on there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at All Things with Tip. Make sure you guys also follow me on Twitter, All Things with Tip. Thank you so much for watching again. I will see you guys next time. Peace.